So Mike's built us a new deck, he's built us a new pergola, and now he's going to build us a new bath. So we're building the bath with stuff we've already got. So we've got an old bath, which we pulled out of our bathroom renovation, just here. And we've got some wood, which was left over from building our decking. And we've found this tap, which we're going to use for another project, but we figure it will work for our bath. So that's it. Costing us nothing. So right now, Mike's building the frame for our bath. How are you going with that, Mike?
Oh, sorry.
How are you going with that?
It's going well. Last bit at the top to finish.
We once had an outdoor bath set up outside while we were renovating our bathroom so we could keep clean. It was just a very temporary thing. We always said, you know, when we get a chance, we'll make it more permanent. And now that we are kind of more permanent here, we figured, well, good time as any, isn't it, Mike?
Keeps us off the streets.
And it's still too cold to go away, in my opinion.
I've got the bit that the bath will sit on.
Yep.
So now I need to put some risers up here.
Yep.
And I need to put something across here to support the bath when it's full of water.
The bath. Looking a bit grubby, but apparently it's ready to go up into the garden. I'm just wondering how we're going to lift it. It might have been better if you had built it in place, but holy it's heavy. Holy bother, it's heavy. Got to finish it off with some plumbing. So I've got the drain here, which is not too far to travel it. I think we're going to put a little edging around here and do something along there. So this is basically what we're doing. We're putting decking around the edge of the bath. Just somewhere to put our candles.
Your wine glass, that's what it is.
A wine glass, it's not your candle, you're not worried about that. It's somewhere to put your champagne glass or your wine glass.
Or my cup of coffee.
Nah, you won't have coffee in here. That's not going to happen.
But yeah, what is the point of an outdoor bath if you don't have a glass of wine while you're looking at the stars? Put it up on some pallets, because that's going to be kind of like decking, and it also allows a bit more room for the drainage to come down and into the little drainage pipe there. So Mike's going to reuse, well, not reuse this tap. It's a tap we bought years ago. We never ever used it. Also got this one. But we think that one would be better.
I've cut out the rear bath surround. I measured the centre of it.
Yep.
I need to drill a hole, or cut a hole, where the tap's going to go.
Oh yeah, okay. That's exciting.
So,
we have a hole.
have a hole.
Oh, lots of holes. Look. Holes everywhere.
You go through there like that. Through.
Yeah.
That goes up there.
You look like you know what you're doing, Mike.
It does make it look as though I don't know what I'm doing, doesn't it? This is a lot easier than when you're doing it on a proper bath in a bathroom, because you have to do this up underneath the bath.
Oh, yeah.
And there's your tap.
Cool. Yay. Is it going to work? Oh, look at that.
That's how that works.
It looks pretty cool. I love it. I love it, Mike. It's awesome.
Now pour into the bath.
Well done.
Yeah, we're done.
Oh, it doesn't work. No water coming out, Mike.
I haven't done the rest of it yet.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so that's the two of them, and what we're going to do is get some hose connections to go from there to our taps.
To our taps, which are over here. So these are the laundry taps.
Don't turn it on!
I'm not turning it on, but yeah, so if I turn that on, it'll come squirting out the side there. So I'm not going to turn it on.
So we're going to get a hose and clip it on there, clip it on there,
yeah,
then clip it onto the end of the bath.
And then go out the window. Because if you look out the window there, there's our bath. Oh, look look what we got here.
So that's the rear side of that fitting.
Yeah.
It's got a connection for a poly pipe.
A poly pipe.
That's a poly pipe fitted.
Poly pipe fitted. Woohoo.
So screw that on. Don't know whether it's going to work or not.
So Mike's got it plumbed in, but it's leaking. So it comes in from the tap down there in the laundry into this little thing here, and that comes up through here up to a tap.
So he says, out you go.
Woohoo! So cool.
Not sure which one that is, but it's hot or cold.
Oh, it's nice and warm. So Mike's making some progress with our bar. So he's got his thingies there. He's put the sides on. The plywood that we had blowing around. Making up his little sides. Got his plumbing in. All these ants. Down to the waste pipe. Apparently it works. It's looking pretty good. Just needs to be painted or stained or something. Look at that. That's really cool. Oh, and we're going to put up a little privacy screen. So Mike's just going to try and build a little trellis privacy thing. This is actually old fence that we had up the front. So we're reusing everything. So we'll see if it works or not. There's the bath all done. It's even got a lid on it. Show us the lid, Mike.
It's just a lid.
Oh yeah, keep
There's a bath in there.
keep the spiders out. Oh yeah, it works quite well. This is it. That's it. Finished bath.
Right.
Looks pretty good, Mike.
Shall we try it out?
We should try it out. Okay, let's go.
Go. Oh,
Let's do it.
yeah.
I got